Checking on Money Matters this morning, Asian stock prices tumble, adding anxiety over Wall Street turbulence and a weaker Chinese economy. And what's the true cost of being a smoker in Florida?
Jane King joins us live from the NASDAQ with those stories and more in this morning's Money Matters report. Good morning to you, Jane. Happy Wednesday. So Asian stocks tanked overnight again. How is Wall Street expected to react this time?
Yes, here we go again. Well, not well. We're looking at about a 300-point drop in the Dow here. So kind of same story. Asian stocks still lower. The Japanese market now officially in a bear market. So that means 20% below its high. And we've got oil down again below $28 a barrel. Now, I remember a few months ago somebody predicted $25 a barrel. And I was like, wow, that's really a bold call. Well, here we are almost at that level. So the same stuff we've been dealing with since the beginning of the year, just more of the same today, and it certainly looks like another rocky start. Bruce and Jen.
So I also hear that the average price for movie tickets hitting a record high. Not only will I not be able to retire, now I can't afford to go see the new Star Wars.
No, we can go to the matinee, maybe the 10 o'clock a.m. show, which kind of works well for this schedule. $8.70. That is the average ticket price for a movie in the United States. The National Association of Theater Owners said that was in the fourth quarter of 2015. It's about 5% higher than what it was last year. And yes, Star Wars premium seating is what sent that ticket price higher last year.
I'll tell you, I'm going to just say the movie was worth it. You know, I was really looking forward to it as a Star Wars fan. Anyway, all right, so the cost of smoking in Florida is much more than you may think, and we're not talking about just to your health here.
No, the financial website Wallet Hub found that a one-pack-a-day smoker in Florida will spend an average of $103,000 on cigarettes over 51 years. Now, if that money was instead regularly invested in the stock market based on average returns, it would yield over $1 million. Additionally, Florida smokers incur another $163,000 in health care costs and would lose $192,000 in income. So really an expensive habit.
And let's talk about these two Florida legislators who are sponsoring measures that would give the governor and attorney general sweeping powers to filter who comes into Florida. And you thought the Supreme Court ruling on immigration was going to be big news.
Yes, these two legislators want to stop agencies that receive tax dollars from helping resettle refugees from countries known to harbor groups that want to commit violence against the U.S. So according to TBO.com, Senator Wilton Simpson of Trilby and Representative Lake Ray of Jacksonville want to grant the governor emergency powers to use whatever means necessary to keep anyone out of Florida that they believe could commit an act of violence. No doubt controversial, very hot topic these days. Bruce and Jen.
It's probably, to get serious, it's probably got its origins in the whole Syrian immigrant issue.
Yes.
Yeah, all right.
Absolutely.
Jane, thank you very much.